Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix your iPhone is not charging or it won't charge, then how you can fix it. So let's get started. So one of the reason many users end up in having the issue is the reason is because of the cable. Right now, as you can see in my case, the cable that I'm using right now, this is completely gone. In the sense, it's completely gone because of various reasons. So if the cable is not working, you'll be having the trouble. So make sure the cable is working first. And in some cases, the cable might be working fine. If that's the case, you might be having an issue with the adapters. So make sure you have to cross-check both the cable, and also you have to cross-check both the adapter and the cable should be working fine. So you can switch between the cable and adapters and you can check whether that is the issue. You can try this one. And afterwards, if you're moving, next one is all about the issue might be with the charging port. If you go over, you can see if a charging port is filled with a lot of debris or any other thing, then you'll be having a trouble whenever you're trying to charge it. So make sure that you clean it. You can clean it with some kind of tool, so make sure that you clean it. So that's very important. After cleaning, you have to check with your charger whether the issue is solved or not. If that is not the case, we need to go back, and this time we need to do a forced restart on your iPhone. So to do a forced restart, we have to press the volume up followed by the volume down and press and hold the power button. You have to do it for unless and until you see the Apple logo. So make sure one more thing. So if you press the volume up and volume down, then after a couple of seconds, if you're trying to press the power button, you might be actually taken to the Siri. So make sure that you do it all together. I mean, not all together, but all of a sudden, right? So let me show you that how to do it. Just press the volume up followed by volume down, then press and hold the power button over here, and just wait unless and until you see the Apple logo here. Now, once you see the Apple logo, just wait so that your iPhone will be forced restarting right now. Now, most probably after this, you can just go back and you can check, and you'll not be having an issue with charging. And this is what you need to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.